video, we'll be looking at the use of the past progressive, describing two continuing actions in the past, and the forms of the past progressive. Let's begin. The past progressive is used for actions that are in progress. This idea is similar to the present progressive. It is a continuing action, but instead of happening in the present, it happens in the past. The actions are usually described in relation to a specific time or event in the past. Let's look at some examples. The frog was doing yoga at 6:30 a.m. yesterday. So was doing is our past progressive. We have a be verb in the past and the verb with the ing ending. At 6:30 a.m. yesterday is a specific time. The dog was tearing apart the teddy bear when I came into the room yesterday. Again, we have our past progressive, and in this sentence we have a specific event or action in the past. Here is a time diagram for the past progressive. We can see that an action is in progress at a specific time in the past. That means that it starts before that time, it's happening at that time, and it may continue after that time. Let's look at the examples. We were eating breakfast at 9:00 a.m. last Sunday. So that means we started eating breakfast and we were in the middle of eating breakfast at 9 a.m. and we may have continued eating after 9 a.m. Number 2. Unhe was playing the piano when someone knocked on the door. So this means that Unhe started playing the piano in the past. She was in the middle of playing and somebody knocked on the door. She may have continued playing the piano after that, or she may have stopped. Sometimes we want to describe two actions that were both continuing at the same time in the past. For example, the cat was trying to help me with my homework while I was working on it yesterday. So we can see two actions that were continuing. So, first of all, I was working on my homework yesterday, so that took some time. That was a continuing action in the past. And at the same time, the cat was trying to help me with my homework. So they were both continuing at the same time in the past. These are the forms of the past progressive. The only difference between the past progressive and the present progressive is that we use the past form of the be verb, which is was, for I, he, she, and it, and were for you, we, and they. So affirmative sentences, I, he, she, or it was eating a snack when you called. You, we, or they were walking at the park when it started to rain. Negative, she was not texting and driving. We have the subject, the be verb, the past form of the be verb, which is the helping verb, not, and then the verb with the ing ending. Yes or no question and answer. Were you baking cookies this morning? So we have the be verb, the helping verb, the subject, and the verb with the ing ending. The answer, yes, I was, or no, I wasn't. And the subject could change. WH question. What were you talking about with your friends at lunch? There's a WH word first, the be verb, subject, and then the verb with the ing ending.